Dear students, today we are going to discuss the how to balance the equation. For that, in this chapter, that chemical reactions and equation, some unbalanced reactions are given. So we have to balance that reaction. Suppose we have taken here one reaction that Fe plus H2O gives Fe3O4 and H2. That is the unbalanced reaction. Okay, so first of all we see that what is unbalanced equation. When the reaction or the equation in which the elements which we have taken, the number of atoms of that elements are not equal on both sides. That means on left hand side there is minimum number of atoms of that element, and on the right hand side there is the number of atoms of that element, maybe it is in increased number. So first of all we have to count the number of atoms of the element in this equation. How many elements are present in this equation? That is iron, hydrogen and oxygen. I have written here iron, hydrogen and oxygen. These three elements are taking part in this reaction. So count the number of atoms which are present in this reaction. Suppose we have taken first Fe element, that is the iron element. The number of atoms of the iron element is 1 here, because no number is written on the base, that is the 1 in number. Then how many hydrogen atoms are there? There are 2 hydrogen atoms are there, and oxygen atoms, that is 1 oxygen atom, and this is on the left hand side. And what is present, the number of atoms on the right hand side of the same element Fe? There are 3 Fe atoms. Hydrogen atoms, there are 2 hydrogen at H2, and oxygen atom, that is the 4. So first we have to balance the oxygen in this equation. There are if we have written here, there are 4 number of atoms in the right hand side, so we have to write on the left hand side that 4. So we multiply it by 4, that is the 4 oxygen atom. Now present on the left hand side 4, and right hand side also the 4 oxygen atoms in this equation. Then we turn over the hydrogen. There are 2 hydrogen atoms, and number 4 is there, that 4 times hydrogen, that is 2 into 4, that are 8 hydrogen atoms. So we have to write here also, that is 4 hydrogen atoms. 2 into 4, that is also 8. 2 times 4, that is 8 hydrogen atoms on left hand side, and 8 hydrogen atoms on right hand side. Then we see for the Fe. Iron, there is 1 atom of iron on left hand side, and 3 atoms of iron on the right hand side. So we have to write here 3 and multiply it by 3. Then 3 atoms of iron on left hand side, and 3 atoms already we have taken here on right hand side. So this is the balanced chemical equation of this elements, that 3Fe plus 4H2O, that gives to Fe3O4 and 4H2. This is the balanced chemical equation having the same number of atoms on both sides of the equation. I hope you understand this. Thank you. Have a nice day.